Today, we'll show you how to download and use the fancy calculator Simple Math app. First, head to the Google Play Store on your device and then search for Fancy Calculator. After you find it, tap on Install to get started. It'll only take a moment to get installation complete. After installation completed, open the app and then you can start using it. Feel fresh and exciting while your mathematical calculations are getting done. The best part is it changes the background every time you tap on the results screen, which brings a fresh new look of it. With this app you can make math a joyous adventure. Download this amazing app now.